been particularly notable for the remarkable milestone of transition of 16 of our students into mainstream school. This accomplishment is a testament to the dedication, resilience and determination of our students as well as the tireless efforts of our teaching staff who has worked with immense passion to ensure that each child realize their potential. We also had the unique privilege of being the first special school in district Baramulla to participate in prestigious Independence Day celebration. The recognition and appreciation extended by the District Commissioner and the CEO of Baramulla underscore the tremendous capabilities of our students and their potential to contribute meaningfully to society. I would like to extend my deepest gratitude to Indrani Balan Foundation Pune, whose unwavering support and commitment have played a pivotal role in the success of our school. Especially thanks to Mr. Puneet Balan and Mrs. Janvi Darewal Balan for their generosity and dedication, which has been instrumental in enabling us to provide an inclusive and nurturing environment for our students. Their involvement has truly transferred our vision into reality. Furthermore, I express my sincere appreciation to SRM Welkin School, Sopor, for visiting and celebrating Autism Day with our students. Their recognition and support of our mission reinforce the importance of inclusivity in education, and we are deeply thankful for their encouragement. Our gratitude also extends to VMS Delna and GMC Baramulla for their steadfast support in organizing a medical camp and providing speech therapists, both of which has significantly benefited many of our students. A special acknowledgement goes to Dr. Isma Nabi, our school physiotherapist, for her outstanding work. Her comprehensive approach, combining both physiotherapy and occupational therapy, has profoundly impacted the physical and development progress of our students. I would be remiss if I do not recognize the unwavering dedication and passion of my entire team. Their expertise, commitment and continuous pursuit of education excellence have been central to our school's success and to the holistic development of our children. I would like to express our heartfelt thanks to Indian Army and Tiger Division for steadfast support and visionary leadership, which has been crucial to our ongoing success. Their encouragement and strategic guidance continue to inspire us, and we strive for new heights. Finally, I would like to extend special thanks to Major Jatin Rawat, OIC, Tiger Parivar School, 19 RTP grade and 289 SATA battery for their invaluable leadership, support and commitment in the growth of our institution. Their efforts have been integral in ensuring that Tiger Parivar School continue to flourish. In closing, I extend my deepest appreciation to all those who have contributed to the journey of Tiger Parivar School. Together we will continue to advance.
अब मैं हमारे विद्यालय के उन बच्चों को बुलाना चाहूँगी जो न सिर्फ पढ़ाई में बल्कि विभिन्न कार्यों में जिनका जो प्रदर्शन है उत्कृष्ट रहा है। सबसे पहले मैं मास्टर मोमिन को बुलाना चाहूँगी जो फर्स्ट क्लास का होनहार बच्चा है। ये न सिर्फ पढ़ाई में बल्कि बाकी चीज़ों में भी बहुत अच्छा रहा है, जैसे पेंटिंग मान लीजिए, स्पोर्ट्स मान लीजिए। उसके बाद में एक बार जोरदार तालियों से स्वागत कीजिए गुरप्रीत का। एक बार जोरदार तालियों से स्वागत कीजिए मोहम्मद उस्मान का। अब मैं बुलाना चाहूंगी अमरीन अशरफ। जोरदार तालियों से स्वागत कीजिए अमरीन का।
सर थोड़ा सा अजीब सर, ठीक है सर।
सर मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूँ प्लीज।
Our students and transform their lives.
please allow me to call upon all the teachers from our school. Miss Istuqra Habib, special educator. Miss Ikra Bukhari, rehab psychologist. Miss Neha Paur, teacher. Miss Sania Rashid, senior special educator. Miss Isma Nabi Pandit, physiotherapist. And Miss Nadia Amin, vice principal. Now I would like to invite General Officer Commanding Dagger Division to felicitate our teachers. Sir, request please.
ये काशिमा
What's up?